Hello everyone again. What's up guys? And welcome every one of you again on your own channel Wakatik, and I bring another video for you. Today I bring a video on money by using Google Translate. Make up to $300 a day. You can earn hundreds of dollars a day by just using Google Translate, and you can translate audio into the text, and you can make $100 in the day. That is very easy and unique method I bring for you, so stick around. I will show you how. So before we move on to the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for notification. So you can make money by just translating languages to the languages. So here you can see detect language English and translation languages all over the world. Here you can see the all languages. So let me show you how you can translate here. If I write here something, how you can see it's been automatically been translated into the Filipino language. So you can select any other language. So if I choose French, here you can see it's been translated into the French. So here's their website where you will pick the audio transcription and you will convert to the into the text. Here you can see transcription $1.25 per minute, convert audio or video to text, and captions $1.25 per minute, captions your video. Trusted by thousands of customers across all industries. And here you can see the industries that are very famous industries working with that website. And scroll down below onto this page, click on freelancers. So I click on freelancers. Here you can see freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev, earn money transcribing or captioning from home, become a freelancer with Rev, start the sign up process. It takes less than an hour. Here you can see, and transcriptionist, you can see listen to audio and video, accurately type what is being said, level speakers, range of pay 30 to 1.10 per audio and video per minute. And here you can read about captioner, and you can read about this, you can read review about this website also. A fun variety of work, that means you are never quite sure what you are going to be transcribing next. Rev provides great freedom to choose what you want to transcribe and for how long. Weekly pay is really important to Chris. So it is a very big proof that it is a very legitimate website. You can work for them and you can earn money. So simply first name, last name, email, and choose one, and select a country, then click on the next. So here you will see in these steps we have to complete these steps and become a transcriptionist. Here you can see, and answer the following question to demonstrate your mastery of the English language and ability to follow the style guidelines to create quality transcription. Review the shortened version of the transcription guideline below and feel free to review them when answering the following question. Style guide, here you can also view the style guide and learn about that, how to do it. And it is some questioning that you have to answer for this job, and you will be able to do this job for earning. So I answered that question. This is not very hard question. This is a simple questions. You have to answer that questions and then click on next page. So here you can read the guidelines as a freelancer tricks which we'll be trying as well, and also you can watch the videos how to do this, and here you can transcribe. It is a sample test. Submit button and almost done. Here you can see almost done, and just have to read this. Please carefully review the service agreement and acknowledge your agreement before submitting. You can read this agreement for the job and just click on I agree to the service agreement. Read this all agreement before and click on I agree and submit your form here. When you will submit your form here, you will receive an email on your email address which one you have put in while when you are going to apply for this job, and you add which email you add, you are gonna receive the email there. Thanks for taking the time to submit your application. We know it was a lot of work and we appreciate your effort. We will review your application as soon as we can. You should receive a confirmation email from us shortly. Sometimes this email will go to the future communication from us. Please make sure to add us to your whitelist. So you will receive an email, they made your account, and then you will also receive a job application where you can go there and get your job. So I hope you like today's video. So if you like today's video, please hit subscribe button and make sure to subscribe if you did not subscribe yet. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.